Hey everybody, Saturday evening. I've been out here on the reservoir pretty much all afternoon, and this was just too pretty not to get some video of. We actually need to be making a right-hand turn right now and heading on up into this cove right here. I know it's kind of hard to tell, it's dark out, or at least everything appears to be dark. That's where the boat launch is, and I need to be heading up that way. But this sky is just amazing, so I want to come out far enough to get around this point, and we should be able to see the sun itself just over the horizon. So I'm even going to try to zoom in here a little and see what that looks like. Pretty impressive. Let me hang a left here and get out a little further. That's pretty much it right there. That sun's just now dipping down behind the trees. So I need to make my way back to the boat launch, as I said. And that's going to require heading on up this way. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed. You never know what you're going to get with me. It's always something good. At least I like to think so. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.